Hi, thanks for joining me today for this video. The card that we're going to make is this one, and you can see that it's using the stitched stars dies. It's a mossy meadow background with a very vanilla layer. I've used some of the papers from the autumn winter catalogue and the ribbon here and a little embellishment. So strangely there's no actual stamping, but because you've got the writing on the ribbon, that provides your sentiment for you. So we'll have a go at making that now. I'll move this out of the way. So I've got my Mossy Meadow card base, so that's just half a sheet of A4 and scored in the centre. So I'll fold that over. So there we have our card base. I'm actually going to do it landscape, so we'll pop that down there. Going to take some of the Tombow multi-purpose glue and I'm going to apply some of the die cut stars before I put the ribbon on, because I want the stars to go underneath the ribbon. So I'll take the large star, a little bit of Tombow. If you've used Tombow, you'll know that you don't need a massive amount. And I'm just going to overhang it very slightly over the edge of the very vanilla layer. And then I'm going to turn this one over and I'm going to put some tear and tape on the back. So a couple of pieces on the back there. I'll take off the backing. There we go. And then just making sure that you've got your ribbon the right way up. So this is going to be the bottom of our card, and you can see the sentiment there. And then I'm going to use my grid paper just to make sure that this is aligned. So I'm going to go for about 2 centimeters from the bottom. And then I'm going to put the glue straight on to the back of here now, because obviously there's some tape that will stick the card to my grid paper if I'm not careful. So just try to get that as central as you can. So the very vanilla layer is 13.8 centimeters by 9.5, and then what I've got is I've got 5 small stars, so I'm going to attach those around the card. A little bit of Tombow, again a little goes a long way with this. And I'm just placing them so that some of them go over the edges a little bit. Otherwise it can look a little bit too kind of regimented. then the final one of those ones is going to go into this bottom corner. Then for the copper foil sheet, the die cut out of that, I'm going to put that on a dimensional. And pop that in the top corner. And then the final touch is one of the star design elements. These are really cute little copper elements. So I'll use my take your pick tool and just grab hold of that. Oh, I've stuck it to the backing. Hang on, let's try a different one. There we go. And pop that there, and then there we have it, all finished. Super quick. Obviously the die cutting takes a few minutes, but you could easily batch make those, and the ribbon provides the sentiment for you. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.